Hello everyone, welcome to FixZone.
Today we will be discussing how to add and remove applications from your dock on your Mac. Let's start with adding apps. The first way to add an application to your dock is from the Applications folder. To do this, go in the top System menu, then select Applications from the drop-down. Once the Applications folder opens, search for the application you want to add. For this example, I'm going to use Google Chrome.
Simply drag and drop the Google Chrome icon into your dock.
I'm going to add it to the end. Now, you can close the Applications folder and launch Google Chrome as usual. If you want the application to stay in your dock even after you quit it, make sure the application is open. Then, right-click the icon, select Options, and then select Keep in Dock. Now, the next time you quit the application, it will stay in your dock. The second way to add an application is by using Launchpad. Open Launchpad, which should be on your dock. If you can't find it, use Spotlight Search. Inside Launchpad, find the application you want to add. Again, I'll use Google Chrome.
Drag and drop the application icon into the dock.
Exit Launchpad, and you can launch your application. The third way is by using Spotlight Search. Go to the top right corner and click the Spotlight Search icon, the magnifying glass. If you don't see it, use the keyboard shortcut, Command and Spacebar.
When Spotlight Search open, search for the application you want. I'll use Google Chrome again.
Once it appears, drag and drop the icon from Spotlight Search to your dock. Now you can launch the application. Okay, now let's talk about removing apps from the dock. The first way is by using the right-click menu. Right-click the application icon you want to remove. If the application is open, select Quit. Once the application has closed, right-click it again, hover over Options, and select Remove from Dock. And that's it. The second way to remove an application is by dragging and dropping it out of the dock. Right-click the application icon, and select Quit if the app is open. Now, simply drag and drop the icon out of the dock, and it will be removed. And that's it for adding and removing apps from your Mac dock. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more Mac tips and tricks. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching.